everyone, it's Julianne here for Trinity Stamps and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a Trinity product close-up for the September 2020 Autumn Rainbow release. This is the brand new Slimline Woodsy Background stamp and coordinating die set. The stamp set includes a total of 6 stamps, the first one being the large Woodsy Background stamp that will fit your entire Slimline card. The 5 other images include 3 leaf images, 1 mushroom, and 1 acorn, all of which are perfect for creating some fall-themed cards. The coordinating die set includes 5 dies, all of which will cut out the smaller images in this stamp set. I personally love creating Slimline cards. There was so much more room for you to create a really cute little scene with all of your images, and I absolutely love that this stamp set will cover your entire Slimline background. The background stamp is so pretty and can definitely be used in creating some fall-inspired cards, but you can also use it to create other cards as well. You can definitely pair it with some cute critters to make it look as though they're outside, or you can even do your card vertical to make it look as though it is a tree. I'm going to stamp the Woodsy background stamp here along with the smaller images, so that way you can see how everything looks once it's stamped out. Now I am going to have to stamp these twice just because it is a really big image. And I am going to be stamping with black ink, but you can definitely do some heat embossing as well, which would be really pretty. There are definitely a lot of different possibilities when it comes to this stamp set. I hope that you've enjoyed this Trinity product close-up for the Slimline Woodsy background stamp and coordinating die set, and I encourage you to check out the rest of the Autumn Rainbow release as well. Here I have some design team inspiration using this stamp set that will hopefully spark some ideas on how you can use this as well. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe for even more design team inspiration. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting.